And then slowly up, slowly taking your time. Good. And then head circle. Relax. Just head. One more circle. Relax your neck. Right now we make a little bigger upper body involve a little. You can plie. Just make a little bigger circle. We do one more. Good. And then hold your ear. We stay, stretch your neck. Just stay there. Don't move. Hold. Stay. And then both hands. Put it behind your head. Close the elbows. Stretch your neck again. Stay there. Don't move. Let it go. Stretch. Okay, release. We do our side. Circle your hand from the right side. Slow circle to the left side. One more time. Just your hand. Focus on your neck. Good. Right now we make a little bigger. Upper body. Go with it. Taking your time. Back. Side. And we do one more time. Just relax, you don't need to force anything. Very good. Right now, hold the arms side here. Stretch your neck first. Stay. Let it go. And release. And then finger locked. And then we do stretch your neck again. Look down. Close the elbow. Let it go. And release with plie. And straight with turn out. First patient. Right now, circle foot. Relax. And plie. One more time. Circle. And plie. Shoulder circle. Relax. Taking your time. Good. One last one, 4 times. And then we do left side foot, circle foot. And plie. We do one more time. And plie. Reverse circle your shoulder, taking your time, 4 circles. And the second one. And the third one. And the last one. Good. And step to the side, second position. We plie. You don't need to dip. And up. And we do plie again. Arm up. Just relax. Tailbone, knee open. Right now we go a little bit deeper. And hold 2 counts. Stay. And up. One more time. And arm up, a little deeper. Feel the back straight. Hold 2 counts. And then up. And the bend. Hold your watch to the side. Stay. Yes. Stay, let it go. And up. We do our side same. Let it go, you don't need to force it. And up. Right now we turn your body. Hold there, twist. Give it a moment. Stay there. Good. Right now breathe. We hold your front leg. Just stay the same moment. Hold your leg. Give it a moment. Stay. 4 more counts. Stay. And then up, face front, with your other side, and twist as much as you can. Stay there. Don't move your leg. Stay. Right now we go brace forwards. Hold your leg. Stay. Don't move. Hold there. And up. Right now we go front. Go front. Stay hold. Stay there. Let it go. Drop it. Feel your lower back. Stretch. Let it go. Don't against it. Stay. And up slowly. Very good. And close your leg. Parallel. And then you step back. And then stay there. Feel your heels stretching. Give it 8 counts. Stay. Go low. Stay there. Stretch your heel. Push down your heel. And up. With arms I say. Okay, stretch your heel. Stay there. Push down. Hold. Go low. Stay. And then up. Okay? We do first patient, we do release, okay? Arm just stay here. Just release 1 and down. Second one and down. Third one and down. Okay, hold stomach in, okay? Be more stable. One last one. Stay there. Don't move. Don't move. Right now, arm up. And arm down. And then you do plie. And circulation. We do relay. Up or relay. Down. Up. And down. 跳蹦 use it. Stomach use it. Make it stable. Okay? And one more. And then down. Good. And then stay up. Hold there. Don't move. Don't move. Arm reverse up. And then front. Open plie. Back to first patient. Good. Okay, let's sit down on the floor. Okay. We cross the foot first. Okay. Okay, I go this way, you can see me, okay? So right now we relax the backbone first, okay? We go arch from lower back. And one by one. The last one is your head down. And then stretch as much as you can. Arch as much as you can. Stay there. Head down. Feel the stretch. And then slowly up. From your lower back. The last one is your head.